Yes, good morning, children. Today I'll teach class 8D. It so happen the fight part 2, chapter 6. I think you've written these word meanings, so we'll go on to the chapter. Now, the next day was as hot as the previous one. Now, the weather was too hot the next day. Now, Ranji felt weak and lazy and not at all eager for a fight. Now, Ranji felt weak and lazy and not at all wanted to fight. His body was stiff and sore after the previous day's encounter. Now his body was stiff and sore, having wounds because of the previous day's encounter. Now, but he could not refuse the challenge. But still, he could not refuse the challenge. Not to turn up at the pool would be an acknowledgement of defeat. Now, he thought that if he doesn't go to the pool, his enemy would think that he has having his defeat. Now, from the way he felt just then, he knew he would be beaten in another fight. Now, from the way he felt just then, he knew that he would be beaten in another fight. But he could not accuse in his own defeat. Accuse in his own defeat means accept quietly his own defeat. He did not accepted his own defeat quietly. Now he must defy his enemy to the last or outwit him. Now he wanted to defy means defeat his enemy at the last or outwit him or gain a victory. For only then could he gain his respect, and then only he could gain his respect. If he surrendered now, he would be beaten for all time. And he thought in his mind, if he surrender now, he would be beaten for all time. But to fight and be beaten today left him free to fight and be beaten again. Now, then he thought that to fight and be beaten today left him free to fight and be beaten again. As long as he fought, he had a right to the pool in the forest. Now, he's telling that as long as he fought, he had the right to the pool in the forest. Means he would go to the pool in the forest and have his bath. He was half hoping that the warrior would have forgotten the challenge, but these hopes were dashed when he saw his opponent. Now, first of all, he was thinking that his warrior would have forgotten the challenge, but these hopes were finished when he saw his opponent sitting stripped to the waist on the rock on the other side of the pool. Now he was sitting on the other side of the pool. The warrior was rubbing off on the body. The warrior was rubbing off on his body. He saw Ranji beneath the sal tree and called a challenge across the waters of the pool. Now he saw Ranji beneath the sal tree and then called a challenge across the water of the pool. Up till here only for today.